My dear, what is troubling you?
I've lost Henrietta.
Who is Henrietta?
My doll!
Well, let's look for her, shall we? I'm sure she'll turn up. Have you looked over there?
She's gone forever!
You know, I just remembered. She left me a letter.
Really?
That she did. I don't have it with me at the moment, but will you be here again tomorrow? At 4 o'clock?
I'll be here.
Tomorrow at 4 then.
Is that from Henrietta?
It most certainly is.
Can you read it for me?
May 3, 1924. Dearest Ruth, I am sorry for having left without giving you any word. When we are at the park, I couldn't help but be enthralled by the motor car nearby, and I hopped right in to see where it would go. It took me all the way to the Black Forest. I have always wanted an adventure. Please don't cry. Affectionately, Henrietta.
Oh, how delightful! I've never been to the Black Forest before. Do you think she'll write again?
Perhaps.
Dora was right.
May 4th, 1924. Oh, Ruth, the coast of Normandy is beautiful. As I write, the sound of the waves crashing onto the sand reaches my ears and is music to my soul. I have a picnic laid out for myself, but I rather fear that the seagulls will make off with it. The only thing missing to make it perfect is you. Affectionately, Henrietta. May 7, 1924. I am in England now, supping on the most delicious scones and tea I have ever had. with none other than the Queen of England. Buckingham Palace is the most lavish place. I hardly know what to write. I'm going to stand watch with the guards now. Cheerio. May 10, 1924. I rode a gondola down the canals of Venice today. May 22, 1924. Bonjour. I am in Giverny and have been painting with Monet. The water lilies really are quite lovely, and sometimes we spend hours walking the gardens. May 31. Today, I have been to Egypt. Oh! Oh, God! How grand the pyramids are! I climbed to the top of one of them and could see all the way to the sea. The vastness of the sand is a sight to behold. Affectionately, Henrietta.
She used to be so afraid of heights. What's the matter?
Nothing to worry over. Aren't those wonderful little drawings?
Yes, quite. Although it's a bit lopsided.
Oh, come on. Don't be so harsh towards poor Henrietta. I think she's a wonderful artist. How can we leave Ruth? She knows something is wrong. Smart girl. I want her to fly.
The doctor said Prague should improve your health. We can only hope for the best.
Hello, Ruth.
You have wobbly legs today?
Oh, like a newborn giraffe. Oh. June 1, 1924. Dearest Ruth, I am soon to depart for a voyage to Australia to see the koalas and the kangaroos. Do not be alarmed if you do not hear from me for some time. It is difficult for the post to reach across such a large stretch of ocean after all. I simply cannot miss out on this opportunity. I will think of you always. Enclosed is a locket that I picked up along my travels, and I have come to treasure. Think of me when you wear it. Affectionately, Henrietta. I am afraid that this is a goodbye from us as well.
No, please don't go. I'll miss you.
Remember, keep practicing your reading and your writing. Keep a journal of your adventures.
I will.
Farewell then.
Bye, dear.
Is that